Here it is, the 2015 to 19 Nissan Murano Hamilton conversion kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This beautiful 10.25-inch screen has completely replaced the factory screen. We're going to give you wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and a whole lot more. In this video, I'm going to first show you how to pair and set up wireless Android Auto. Then we're going to talk about the features. When you first power on the vehicle, you're going to come here to the Hamilton underlying operating system. Go ahead and touch this phone icon off to the left to open up your Bluetooth settings. Pull out your Android phone, open up Settings, Connections, and then come here to Connected Devices. We'll touch Pair a New Device, and then we're going to look for a device starting with Hamilton. Give it about 20 to 30 seconds to appear. There it is. Let's go ahead and click it. A pairing code will pop up. Make sure you turn on Allow Access to Contacts and Favorites and click Pair. Now, if it's the first time you've ever set up Android Auto, you might need to approve a prompt for Android Auto, the terms and conditions. With that connected, we'll come back to the apps here and we'll touch Android Auto. Give it about 20 to 30 seconds the first time. You'll see Android Auto is going to start loading up here. And there it is, wireless Android Auto running on the Hamilton conversion kit. Take a look at this. It's absolutely beautiful, and it's going to make your car feel brand new. At any time, you can touch this exit button to come back to the Hamilton underlying operating system, or this icon off to the left here to come back into Android Auto or CarPlay. If you're a CarPlay user, be sure to check out our CarPlay overview and pairing video. This is going to be an overview and pairing for Android Auto. You can see that no matter which apps you use for music, whether Spotify, YouTube Music, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or otherwise, you're going to have access to all of your songs and beautiful cover art. This system will preserve all of your factory functionality. At any time, you can shift into reverse, and you'll see your factory reverse and 360 cameras come up. All of your original safety features remain. You can use your steering wheel controls to turn the volume up and down. You can also adjust volume by doing two fingers on the left side of the screen. All of your original climate control features will remain, and this system will use your factory microphone. Hey Google, can you get directions to Crabtree Mall?
Crabtree is 17 minutes from your location by car in heavy traffic.
Our team has precision calibrated this device to use your factory microphone. Of course, here in navigation, you can see the Google Voice Assistant reads your directions. It sounds and looks so much better than factory navigation. Because we're using that factory microphone, whether you're making phone calls or talking to the Google Voice Assistant, you're going to sound great. Coming back home here, you'll see that any app that has an Android Auto component will automatically show up here in Android Auto. If you want to use apps that might not be supported in Android Auto, like streaming apps or things of that nature, you can easily touch that exit button coming back to the Hamilton underlying operating system. This unit has a powerful Qualcomm processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. We've done all of our custom engineering work here in Raleigh, North Carolina, to ensure not only that we can preserve all of your factory features, but that this device is snappy and functions equivalently to a very high-end phone or product. Any app from the Google Play Store can be loaded directly onto the Hamilton conversion kit. You can use these apps when CarPlay or Android Auto are not in use by either pairing it to your phone's hotspot. You can do 2 swipes from the top to access our command center to pair it to your phone's hotspot, or you can add a 4G SIM card. This can be done by inserting the SIM card into the SIM slot that we show you during the installation process. Coming here to Settings, Android Settings, About Phone, and sharing this IMEI number 1 number with your carrier. This system is sure to make your 2015 to 19 Murano feel like a brand new car. Because we've designed it using the highest quality internal components, including a custom Hamilton heatsink that dissipates over 6 times the heat of some of our leading competition, we can back this with a 3-year warranty that we call the Hamilton Guarantee. And with our 3-year warranty, we have concierge-style tech support, where you can call us and talk to our team members if you have any questions before, during, or after your purchase. I'm Dave from Hamilton Motor Company. You can see what a difference we've just made in this Murano, and I'll see you in the next video.